Hello friends, hope you're having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I suggest you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on March 15, 2026. On March 15, 2026, we have drawn multiple order blocks in between 4,959 to 4,837. Also, we have drawn a hidden point of interest at the area of 4,776 to 4,658. So, as you know that orders were already taken from this zone, we still believed that there might be better orders so that the market will go up again. But unfortunately, due to the economic tensions that are happening right now, market fell in a very drastic condition. It didn't even respect our order block. It simply tapped on this order block. It gave slight reactions, and after that it started falling like anything from the daily time frame itself. This is one of the biggest falls, I would say. Like if we calculate from this top, it has already come down 9,400 pips again. So there are lots of news happening. Like when there are economic crisis or economic tensions happening, usually the metals and the commodities will rise. But this time there are multiple news that we can read in different websites, pages and all. But the reason is quite simple. Market has been rising since very long time, and in this economic crisis, many people were thinking that gold would be rising and will be going to 6,000 or 6,500 range. But there is no scope for the gold to go up, as gold is overbought at this area, and in order to the market to go up, the market should take a great liquidity. It should grab the stop losses and liquidity of the people. Then only the market can go up. If you remember, I already mentioned that there is always an order block. Like since very long time, there is an order block hidden on 4,170 and 3,886. All of the videos which I have posted, I am mentioning this zone. And I also mentioned that mentioning this zone doesn't mean that it won't come here. See, even I didn't think that the market will reach here, but looking into the current market scenarios, there are huge possibilities that market can come up to 4,170 range. Anyhow, I'll give you a fresh analysis on what is happening in the market right now. So, if you see, we have drawn before few weeks, we have drawn a selling order block from where the market started falling, and from there market has come down 9,500 pips. Now, if you check right now, you can see that on the weekly time frame, if the market is breaking the range of 4,277, then the high chances are market will come to the fair value gap in between 4,162, which is here, and this candle, the end of this candle, 3,887. This range is an order block range. So if 4,276 breaks, then we can expect the market to reach this range. Now, while going to the daily time frame, you can see the market took an inducement at the area of 4,541, and all of our students knows that this is a fair value gap and an order block. So this is an order block zone. So this is also a support zone where gold has taken high liquidity and has gone around 7,000 pip, I believe. Not 10,000 pips, I believe. Now, the area in between 4408 and 4280 will remain as a support zone. From here, two chances. Either gold should grab liquidity from this area, from this zone, and can go up. And even if the gold is moving up, there will be a rejection zone here in between 5238 to 5470. So this range will act as a rejection zone. And you can see that there was an internal order block which gave us a slight support. From here, if you remember in this video, we have taken an entry here. It has given a great movement around like 2400 pips from here. So this area, the current area, this was a support zone. As it is broken, this range in between 4838 and 5020 will also act as a rejection zone. So this is the current scenario. And what if market breaks the inducement range of 4280? If it breaks, as you know, there is no other option. Market will definitely come up to 4162. So my suggestion is that if anybody has taken some extra trades on the top or haven't followed the system properly, it is better to manage your risks and add more funds so that your liquidity point will get increased. Also, while looking with the fib zones, you can see that this area, which is like from 4523 to 4248, this is a golden zone. This will act as a support for gold. But as there is an order block, I believe that if gold is gaining a support, it would be from this area. Let's hope that gold would come and take support from this mentioned area and go up, so that most of the buyers can withdraw their cash or take profits. So this is the current scenario, my dear friends. So looking into the news of the coming week, on March 24, there is S&P Global Manufacturing News, and on Wednesday 25, there is a CPI, crude oil inventories. We should be careful, do not overtrade at this area. Also on Thursday, we have initial jobless claims. So Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, there are newses. Take care of your risk, manage your risk properly, add more funds if you have taken more trades, and save your capital. Always trade by protecting your capital, my dear friends. Take care and trade safe. Thank you so much.